We know that we feel less deprived and more likely to stick to a diet if we enjoy our food. But did you know that the way the food looks contributes a lot to how much you enjoy the food? A new study led by Professor Charles Spence, an Oxford University gastrophysicist, has proven beyond a doubt that making something look good makes it effectively taste better too. The study found that thoughtful presentation meant diners found the food more flavorful. Even just the method of slicing a cucumber made the dishes considerably more appetizing and appear to be more expensive. People were willing to spend 3 times more for food that was presented nicely as they found it to be much tastier. To enjoy your food more, you do need to spend a couple of extra seconds adding the finishing touches to a meal. These finishing touches are usually little things such as adding some fresh herbs, pickles, sesame seeds, chilies, or green onions to the top of your plate. I call these finishing touches aesthetic additions, and I think they are essential to the enjoyment that you will get out of making your own meals and your willingness to make that meal again. So what are some examples of aesthetic additions? Here are the plate toppers that I use most often to make my plates look more pretty. Ground black pepper and salt, spring onion sliced lengthways, sesame seeds white and black, pomegranate seeds, fresh herbs, cherry or grape tomatoes, fresh chilies, chili flakes, flaked almonds, shredded coconut, poppy seeds, radish, lamb's lettuce, rocket or arugula, pine nuts, other seeds, drizzling sauce such as sriracha over the top. How many aesthetic additions to add to the top of your plate? I usually add a small sprinkle of something. I don't usually add enough to significantly adjust the calorie count of a recipe. A small sprinkle of something goes a long way in terms of the presentation of a plate. So what are the next steps to lose weight on a plant-based diet? If you'd like to learn more about my weight loss system, which is based on plant-based, gluten-free, delicious meals around 400 calories each, I encourage you to go to greenthickies.com/leaf system, and there will be a link in the description below that you can click on, and you can read all of the testimonials and success stories over there as well. Now it's your turn to reach a healthy weight by making your own plant-based plates.
The magical life of